Hello, my name is Ben Wilson. As the Fulton Library liaison for criminal justice, fire science, law enforcement, and emergency services, I would like to share with you some citation resources that will save you time and make citing easier for you. Fulton Library's Citation Help Guide has links to Writing Center handouts, the APA manual, citation generators, and citation management tools. To get there, go to the library homepage and click on Research Guides. Then do a search for citations and click on Citation Help. Here you will find UVU Writing Center handouts for APA in-text citations, references, and formatting. The link to the APA Official Style Guide is useful for those hard-to-cite sources or other citation questions. The citation generators can help you create citations for all kinds of sources. Citation management tools save you time when working with large amounts of articles and citations. Here you can see a chart breaking down 3 of the most popular tools: EndNote Basic, Mendeley, and Zotero. I would like to show you the benefits of using Zotero. It is a free tool that easily saves articles and citations, quickly builds your references page, and inserts in-text citations into Word documents. To get started, go to Zotero.org, click Download, and then download both the desktop application and the browser connector, which is your browser plugin or extension. Zotero works with Chrome and Firefox. Make sure that you have the Zotero application open when adding a source from your browser to Zotero. Once you have search results in a database or a web page to save, you can click on the Zotero plugin to save articles. To view or manage your saved articles, open the Zotero app on your computer. In the left column, you can create and manage your groups and folders that house your articles. Articles and folders can be click-dragged to other folders and groups. You can view a saved article by double-clicking the saved PDF or copying the source's URL into your browser. Using Microsoft Word, you can add in-text citations using the Zotero tab and clicking the Add/Edit Citation button. Then type in the article title or the author's name. Zotero saves you time when creating your references page. To do this, go to the References section of your document. Click on the Zotero tab and then on the Add/Edit Bibliography button. It is advisable to double-check the source titles in your APA citations, as they often need some adjusting. The most common issue is capitalization errors in the title. You can adjust citations in the Zotero app before adding them to your references page. Just open Zotero and click on a source and then the title. This example needs to have every word begin with a lowercase letter except for the first word and PTSD. That is the most common thing to look for. For additional insights and to learn how to use everything Zotero offers, visit their documentation tab. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to working with you in the future.